It's not just a car, it's a fortress on wheels. Sleek, silent, and packed with secrets, this machine is reserved for one person on Earth, the President of the United States. And in 2025, it's officially the most expensive presidential car ever built. They call it the Beast, but that's an understatement. This isn't transportation. It's a rolling command center, built to survive biochemical attacks, direct hits, and anything short of a missile strike. The estimated price tag? Over $18 million. And once you hear what it can do, you'll understand exactly why. On the outside, it looks like a stretched Cadillac, elegant, imposing, presidential. But underneath the polished black paint is military-grade armor, 8-inch steel plating, bulletproof glass 5 inches thick, and Kevlar-reinforced tires that keep moving even when shredded. The doors? Each one weighs as much as those on a Boeing 757. The windows don't open. The interior is fully sealed in case of chemical attacks. Inside, there's a satellite-linked communication system, encrypted lines to the Pentagon, a fire suppression system, night vision capabilities, and even bags of the president's blood type, just in case. And here's the kicker. It can launch countermeasures. Smoke, gas, tear-inducing chemicals. There are rumors of an electrified door handle system and hidden weapons, though official sources stay silent. But this car isn't just about survival, it's about power. Symbolic and real. When it rolls up to a summit or a crisis zone, it sends a message. The president is protected, unshakable, and in control. And if luxury is your thing, you're not forgotten. Hand-stitched leather, state-of-the-art suspension for a silky ride, and enough legroom for high-level diplomacy mid-traffic. It's the definition of armored elegance. If you're obsessed with power, prestige, and machines built with no limits, you're exactly where you need to be. Subscribe now. We bring you luxury with purpose, tech with presence, and wealth that moves. It's more than just a car. It's a symbol. A moving bunker that blends presidential grace with military might. Other world leaders ride in comfort. This is invincibility, wrapped in a Cadillac shell. $18 million might sound extreme until you realize what it protects. And when that motor growls to life, the message is clear. Every dollar was worth it.